Greetings of the day. Today's topic is Indian sweets. It is in Unit 4. India has a wide variety of Indian desserts. Many popular Indian sweets, such as Rasgulla, are common throughout South Asia, while many other are local favorite are typical to only an ethnic group in India. Indian desserts can be divided into two categories. First category is milk-based, such as kalka, Kalakan, Rasgulla, Rasmalai, Kalakand, Barfi, etc. The second category of the Indian dessert are based on flour such as gulab jamun, malpua, halwa, laddu. True origin of mithais are unknown. Some varieties like Habshi, Sohan halwa originate from Persia. Its roots have been traced to the early 1500 when the Mughal Emperor Humayun was exiled to Persia. When he reconquered India, the makers of Sohan halwa were called by him to India. The halwa makers were not allowed to share their halwa with the common public, and it remained for exclusive consumption of the emperors for around 300 years. Later in 1835, the makers of this halwa were allowed to open a shop in Ghantaghar, Delhi. The makers of the halwa were the ancestor of the modern day Abdul Khalik, operating in Karachi, Pakistan. Classification of sweets: milk based, flour based. Milk based: Rasgulla, Rasmalai, Pantua, Cham Cham, Mihidana. Most of the Indian sweets are milk based. Flour based: Gulab Jamun, fried syrup based, milk powder, milk, baking soda, unsalted butter, oil, water, cardamom powder, kesar, sugar. Jalebi: it is a fried dessert, and there are other flour based desserts also. Sweets on festival: Holi, Diwali. There are some universal sweets and dishes that are prepared throughout the length and the breadth in the country on this occasion. One of the most popular desserts of Holi is Gujia, which is must for every Indian home during the season. Then there are papadis, dahi vade or dahi bhalle that are prepared in majority of Indian homes on the occasion. On Diwali, there is a custom to exchange sweets to the friends and neighbors. That is why Diwali can't even be imagined without sweets and savories that are specially made at home. The list of Diwali special sweets is exhaustive. Gulab jamun, gajar ka halwa, besan ke laddu, karanji, and jalebis are the most commonly made sweets on this occasion. Ganesh Chaturthi, Lohri. There are variety of sweets made in this occasion, with the most popular one being Modak. The worshippers visit Ganesh temple on the day to perform puja and offer many other sweets and milk to idols of Lord Ganesh Ji. The enjoyment of this 10 days festival can be doubled by preparing sweets and delicacies like besan ke laddu, motichur ke laddu, kaju ki barfi, पूरन पोली मदाग, रावा लड्डू, मूंग दाल का हलवा. The traditional Lodi food talks in savories like सरसों का साग, मक्की की रोटी, पनीर बटर मसाला, गोभी पकौड़ा, बाजरा खिचड़ी, राऊ दी खीर, गन्ने की खीर, आटा लड्डू, ड्राई फ्रूट चिक्की. This list is endless. Gulab Jamun. These gulab jamuns are manufactured from the premium quality whole milk and milk products. They are highly demanded in market due to good taste and nutritional value. They are highly demanded in the nutritional mawa. We specialize in preparing mawa under the supervision of trained personnel. Good taste and high nutrition are the feature of that makes accepted by our customer. These are preferred to enjoy and any formal and informal occasions. North Indian sweets: gulab jamun, jalebi, kulfi, peda, sohan papdi, gajar halwa, firni, motichur laddu. East Indian sweets: rasgulla, rasmalai, pantua, cham cham, chhena jalebi. South Indian sweets: coconut barfi, badam halwa, masoor pak, unniyappam. West Indian sweets: shrikhand, modak, puran, amarkhand, moong dal kheer, coconut rice, sweet potato halwa. As we can easily conclude, the Indian cuisine is closely related to the Indian history. Each historical region developing a unique set of dishes using diverse ingredients. However, a constant remain for all region the affinity for sweet dessert and spice snacks. Beside being closely related to history, Indian cuisine is also strongly influenced by the Indian religion, Indian culture and tradition, and Indian people themselves. If you can appreciate the fact behind the history of Indian food, the setting in which this great country cuisine was formed, the influence it took, and the diversity it created, then you will surely appreciate one of their sweet dessert or one of their spicy snacks and appetizer. No other country has wider selection of exotic dishes, and no other country can offer such large variety of impulses for your taste buds. Thank you.